Hello everyone, welcome to Simplified Geometry. Today we are going to see sum number 5 from Lines and Angles exercise 6.1 Exemplar series. So this question says, if one of the angles of a triangle is 130 degrees, then the angle between the bisectors of the other two angles can be. So one of the angles of a triangle is 130 degrees. Let this be angle A. Angle A is 130 degrees. Angle between the bisectors of the other two angles can be. 4 options are given. So angle A is given as 130 degrees. So let OB be the bisector of angle ABC. So this is the whole angle, angle B. This is the full angle, angle B. So OB is the bisector of this angle. So OB is this is OB. OB is the bisector of angle ABC. You can call it short as angle B also. So this line OB bisect this angle into two equal parts. So OB, look at the cursor, OB cuts this whole angle into two equal parts. This is the first equal part and this is the other equal part. Okay. Same goes to this side also. Here OC is the bisector of angle C. This whole angle C, this is angle C, is bisected by the ray OC into two equal parts again. This is the first equal part, this is the second equal part. Okay. So OC bisects this angle C also. So we wrote this given information here. So angle B, whole angle B is bisected, cut into half by this ray OB. So half of this OB will be equal to angle OBC. Am I right? Because it cuts into two equal parts. So half of this angle B is angle OBC and also ABO, this angle. And the same goes to the other side also. Half of angle C, half of this angle C is, first half is angle OCB, this angle, and angle ACO, this angle. This is the other half. These two halves are equal. Half of angle C is angle OCB. It is also equal to angle ACO. That's what I have written here. So you can see that angle BOC, this inside angle. This inside angle is the angle between these two bisectors. So that's what I have written here. Angle BOC is the angle between these bisectors OB and OC. So what is angle BOC? Our aim is to find what is this angle BOC. So in this question we are going to use the angle sum property of triangle two times. One in this bigger triangle and next in the smaller triangle. So first let us use the angle sum property in the bigger triangle. In triangle ABC, this bigger triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degrees. What's the reason? Angle sum property of triangle. So we have written the reason angle sum property of triangle. Now we are going to divide this equation by 2. We are going to divide both sides by 2. Now you will be asking, why am I dividing? Because see, bisector is there. Bisector OB is dividing this angle into two equal parts. Here also OC is dividing this bigger angle into two equal parts. So we are going to divide this equation also by 2, divided by 2. So what will happen? Half of angle A plus half of angle B plus half of angle C equal to this 180 divided by 2. What will happen? LHS and RHS both are dividing by 2. So 180 by 2 will become 90 degrees. So what's the next step? So half of angle B plus half of angle C, what I am doing is I am bringing this angle A into RHS side, in this side. So it will become minus of half of angle A. It will become minus of half of angle A. So that's the next step, 90 degree minus half of angle A. So what's the next step? Next step is, see, in place of angle A, we can put 130 degrees because it is given in the question. So in place of angle A, we will put 130 degrees. Now here in the RHS only numbers are there, so we have to solve this. So what will it become? 90 minus 130 by 2, it will come as 25 degrees. Now this is very important, we denote it as equation 1. Now let us look at the smaller triangle OBC. Let us look at the smaller triangle OBC. See, again we are going to use angle sum property here. This angle BOC, let me highlight it. This angle BOC plus angle OBC, BOC plus OBC plus OCB will be equal to how much? 180 degrees. Again, angle sum property of triangle. Now what will happen? See, in place of this angle OBC, I can substitute half of angle B. See, why it is so? See, angle OBC is half of this angle B. I have told in the beginning. So angle OBC is half of this bigger angle B, half of angle B. Same here also, OCB. See, this angle OCB, this angle is half of this bigger angle C. Half of angle C is angle OCB. So you have written the reason, OB and OC are bisectors. That's why in place of angle OBC I have put half of angle B. In place of angle OCB I have put half of angle C. Now what's the next step I am doing is I am bringing this plus angle OBC into RHS. So what will it become? It will become minus of angle BOC. So this is again very important. Let us denote it as equation number 2. Now see one interesting fact. See, in the LHS of this first equation, it is half angle B plus half angle C. Here also same thing. In equation 2 also same thing, half B plus half of angle C. Both are same. LHS is same. So that means RHS. This RHS, this will also be equal to this thing. So the RHS will also be same. So from equation 1 and 2, the RHS will be same. So we are going to equate the RHS, this 25 and 180 minus angle BOC. So 180 minus angle BOC is 25 degrees. Now we can solve for this angle BOC. So angle BOC is, I am bringing this 180 degree into RHS, so it will become minus of 180 degrees. So when we solve this, we will get minus 155 degrees. See, both side minus is there, so we will cancel out the minus. So what we will get? So we will get angle BOC as 155 degrees. So we got the final answer. We got the value of angle BOC as 155 degrees. So option D is the correct answer.